Okay, you've made it to the last one. Again, make sure that you have done this or you've attempted it before you're watching this video, so that way you understand where it is you're making your mistakes or you understand what it is you need to do. Because I'm not going to have videos on the tests. So the test you're going to have to do on your own. So if you have any questions on these, please ask questions if this video doesn't help explain what it is you may be doing wrong. Okay, so I have a plus 5a plus a raised to the second power. The only ones that I can combine, even though they all have the same variables, are the ones that are not raised to the second power. So a, or 1a plus 5a equals 6a. And then I'm just going to write down, oh, let's see if I can actually do this. Here we go, text, subscript, 2. There we go. A to the second power. In order to write this little 2, you go up into format, you slide down to text, and then you use subscript. That's how you end up, and I'm sorry it's not on the slide. So you go to text, then you go to subscript, you click on that, and then you can write that little 2 up there. All right, so here I have 2b raised to the second power plus 10b minus b to the second power. So the b to the second power is what I'm combining. So 2b to the second power minus 1b to the second power gives me b to the second power. I'm going to go up to format, choose text, go to subscript, write 2. Now, whoops, I need to actually get out of subscript. So I go back up to format, text, I hit subscript again to get it back to regular. Then I'm going to add 10b right there. Okay, so what you can do is if you want to wait until the end to write the little numbers, you can. So I have 2x raised to the third power plus 4x raised to the third power. I can combine those. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. X to the third power. I'm going to wait and do that at the end to make it a little easier on me. Minus x to the second power. So now I'm going to go up here to format, text, subscript, 3, format, text, subscript, 2. You need to make sure you have those powers up there. You cannot just put 6x minus x. You have to have those up there, so that shows you that they're different terms. They're not like terms. Okay, so I have 3x to the fourth power plus 5 minus 4x to the third power minus 12x to the third power. Okay, so let's do our 3x to the fourth power. So I'm going to put that fourth power in just a little bit. But I have a negative 4x to the third power, negative 12x to the third power. Remember, when a negative number is next to a negative number, I'm going to add them together to make a bigger negative number. So 4 plus 12 is 16. That's my negative 16x to the third power. Then I'm just going to bring down my positive 5. I'm going to now put in my powers because it's easier for me to do it this way. This one I remember is the fourth power, and this one, format text, subscript to the third power. All right, so however you put in your powers, that's fine. You can do it as you're doing it to keep it all straight. You can do it like me and do it at the end. You just need to remember you have those in there so that way we can see that you understand how to combine the like terms. If you have any questions on this, let me know. We're not going to be doing a lot of raising anything to different powers. I just wanted you to see this one and to see how it worked, but this is not going to be anything that we're carrying later on, but it is something you will be doing in 8th grade. So I just wanted you to be aware of it. Okay.